Ready to do this?
Uh-huh.
Let's go. Here it comes. Eek! It's so cold. Did I get it? Whoa! Where are we? Wow, this is so cool. Check out this giant soda.
Huh?
My soda is teeny tiny.
Wow!
At least my soda is regular sized. It's the biggest soda I've ever seen. I can't wait to try it. I'm going first. This might be trickier than I thought. I'll give it a squeeze. Here comes the soda. Ah, just what I needed. Ah, it's empty. It's your turn. I'm looking forward to this. Oh no, I broke the tab. Maybe I can shake the soda out. That's not working. I hope my dentist isn't watching. Heh, I did it. I don't need this anymore. That was thirsty work. There's so many bubbles. Over to you. I've been waiting for this moment. I'll twist the faucet. Wait, I forgot the glass. That could have been messy. This is taking longer than I thought. Come on, hurry up. I better entertain myself. This is so annoying. Huh? It's stuck. Oops, that's not good. Look out! Soda shower. I'll take care of it. I just need to drink it all. Whew, I did it. I'm the greatest. Really? Oh, look at that. Check this out. A super-sized ice cream. This looks tasty. Why does this keep happening? I have a plan. It kind of looks bigger. Haha, that's so tragic. Don't be mean. Did it get warm in here? I'm starting to sweat. No, my ice cream. It's melting, melting. Whatever, I'll still eat it. It's yummy. I enjoyed that. Try your ice cream. It could be better. Time for a costume change. I'm going to make something extra special. Let's start with the cream. This can go right on top. What's next? Ooh, sprinkles. I mean, you gotta. So colorful. Next, I'll need chocolate. It's a work of art. I'm gonna try it. Delicious. It doesn't get better than this. So chewy. And it's mine, all mine. It's my turn. Whoa, this is a jumbo ice cream. Yummy, yummy. She can't eat it all, right? This is the best. I'll never get bored of this. I want more. Stand back, girls. It's gonna get messy. Hey, careful. Stop it. There's still ice cream at the bottom. Okay, that was close. Eek, it's stuck. We better help her. Get it off me. We did it. It's so cold. Hey, we can use this. Good idea. Take that. Whew, you saved me. Thanks, besties. I love pancakes.
Wow.
Whoa, that's a whole lot of jam. But the pancakes are so small. But that's okay. Finally, a proper meal. This is what I'm talking about. Oh, this is so cute. I'm first. Here goes. Ooh, this is heavy. I better cover the pancakes. I think it needs more. That will do. Let's try it. Maybe I overdid it. At least it'll be tasty. So good. I love it. I want another one. Oh, yeah. It's so sweet. Delish. I want to go next. This will be good. I'll carefully pour the jam over. Whoa, just look at it. Oops, that was a big chunk. Nah, I'll use the whole jar. It's pancake time. Huh? It's not moving. Give me that pancake. I know what to do. It's amazing. Get in my tummy. It's all gooey. I regret nothing. Are you seeing this? Don't judge me. Ooh, that's nasty. You're just jealous. I don't want to miss any. You're up. It's so small. But I'm sure it tastes great. Look at that jammy goodness. It'll add flavor to my pancakes. That's all of it. I have an idea. I'll spread it out. This is so relaxing. That should do it. Wait a second. I need one more thing. I'll put the pancakes on here. Look at them go! Gimme! Gimme! That didn't take long. These taste so good. This always happens. Oh, squishy. I love marshmallows. That feels funny. It's a mini marshmallow.
Wow.
This is giant. It's like a pillow. I'll go first. My marshmallow. Get back here. Oh no, oh no. Ew, it's all gross. I better clean it. This shouldn't take long. That didn't work. Let's use the tweezers. It's so hairy. I'll try scrubbing it. This should do the trick. Now I'll spray it with water. I need to get rid of the gunk. It's as good as new. I hope it tastes good. Wow, it's great. I'm next. What will I do? I'll need a cup of cocoa. Whoa, look at that.
Wow.
It grew. That is so cool. And it smells amazing. It's a chocolatey marshmallow. I can't wait to eat it. Wait, I have a better idea. I can make it even bigger. But I'll need more cocoa. I hope this works. Let's find out. No way! I've never seen anything like it. I'm going to try it. Whoa, this is heavy. Eek. What happened? It's a regular marshmallow. I'll still eat it. You know, it was yummy. My turn. Check out this rhythm. Okay, here goes. Tasty. What's wrong? My makeup! I know how to fix this. There, how's that? That's not a good look. Stupid marshmallow!